Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can create private servers in Roblox. Basically, before you can even make a private server, you will have to buy the Season Battle Pass. Now, I'm not sure how to buy the Season Battle Pass. Yeah, basically you'll have to buy this private servers. You'll need to buy that, and once you buy that, then all you gotta do is press on play. Now the thing is, I don't have Robux, and I'm not interested in purchasing any Robux, so I won't be able to make a private server. But I'm gonna show you guys at least on how to. Once you purchased your 1000 Robux and you've unlocked the private server for yourself, all you want to do is open up Project Slayers. I'm going to skip this assets part. And once I skip that assets part, I just want to select my character. And then all you want to do is private server. As you can see, the Game Pass requires 900. I don't have any Robux, so I'm not going to buy any. But yeah, that's going to be it. After that, all you want to do is private server. Create a password if you want. And then join server. That's going to be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.